So hey guys, welcome back. So this is the final look. I'm really digging this color, this blood orange, Halloween orange, like auburn orange, fall orange. Burnt orange. Okay, there we go. That's more right. Burnt orange. I'm really loving this. The texture of this hair is kind of like a yaki, which I think is pretty good because I feel like it'll tangle less when it comes to curly or wavy hair if it's yaki texture. So I can't truly answer about the shedding because this wig, it was just like calling out for me when I went to go look at wigs, and it was just like, pick me, sis. So I grabbed it, but unfortunately there weren't any more in this color, so I had to get the display wig. So there is a little bit of shedding. Like, okay, go through once, two strands, one strand. So I can't attest to that, but as far as the curl and everything, I love it. Now what I might do is probably spray it down with some water and then blow dry it flat. But I got my real hair underneath here, and it's like my real hair is kind of done, so I don't want to spray with water and then blow dry it and mess up my hair underneath. So let's get into the specs of this wig. Now this is by Freetress Equal or Equal Freetress, and it's the V-shaped deluxe lace fronts. The style is V-003, and the color I have is SOP 23415. Now it comes in colors 1, 1B, 2, 4, and then some other colors. But here's a picture of the 4 that are mentioned. So there's 3 other colors that aren't accounted for. So yes, it says that you can flat iron this hair, which I think I might do. I might try to cut the bang and bump it a little bit because I like it on my little Jessica Rabbit flow, but anybody who's ever had a bang, you know that it is irritating, okay? The hair is pretty long. Like, oh, I thought I had broke my nail and I just got them filled in. But down to my hip, and I really like this color. So you guys let me know what you think. I will find a website that carries this wig and link it in my description box. As always, love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.